Welcome back to Sadhana. While what we eat may be deeply individual, cultural and traditional, yet the impact it makes reaches far beyond that. The promotion of healthy, diversified and sustainable diets is the need of the hour in regreening our world. In Conscious Cooking today, Radhika Gounden illustrates this with her delicious, nourishing and sattvic Buddha bowl.
Today on our menu, we have something that has taken the world by storm, known as a Buddha bowl. It is not only nutritious, it's quite exciting. It's sort of like build your own salad with a very exciting dressing. I just want to take you through our ingredients because it's a little bit of everything that comes together so nicely in the bowl itself. I've got some green lettuce, I've got some burgundy lettuce, I've got a grain, and this is pearl barley. You'll see that the grains are quite nice and round and plump. My protein is actually tofu, which I've pan fried, little cubes of tofu. I've got some coconut slices. It's a fresh coconut, I haven't toasted it. And I've got some cucumber half moons. We're gonna top up with some sunflower seeds, and I've got some dried cranberries, crunchy peanut butter, honey, some olive oil, and for this dish I've included some tahini. I've got some soy sauce, some mint, and I've got some seeds for dressing. And no Indian dressing would be complete with the delightful chili. To add a little bit of heat to the dish. So there we go. And I've kept aside to top our bowl with some kalonji seeds and some dry sesame seeds. But a Buddha bowl ideally starts with the grain, and I'm adding my pearl barley. I'm gonna toss in my lettuce. So I'm gonna toss in my cucumber. Again, nothing cast in stone. Just add whatever veggies you like, and preferably it should be in its raw state. So you want, like, veggies that you can eat that's crisp, that you don't need to cook much. Add in my tofu cubes, some cranberries. A Buddha bowl is not complete without some dried fruit. So I've picked cranberry as my dried fruit of choice. I'm gonna toss in my coconut flakes. I'm adding my sunflower seeds because what's going to happen is it's going to get into the cracks that's left here. And not to mention our old faithful avocado. It's a good fat. Everybody, that are weight conscious, this is what you eat. You eat this as butter because, a lot of us have to abstain from that. And this is how you get nice little cubes of avocado out of it. You cut it like that. All our African Buddha bowl needs now is that beautiful peanut satay salad dressing. No kitchen should be without a blender, especially if you wanna, you're always rushing. And this dressing is such a quick mix. It's so quick. I'm tossing in our honey, tahini, our chili for heat, and the star ingredient, our peanut butter, crunchy peanut butter. So I'm adding a bit of olive oil to make it a little bit runny because the peanut butter tends to be a little bit thick. The soy sauce, you have to be careful because if you add too much of soy sauce, you're gonna have a black salad dressing, and we don't want. We want it to just darken the color a little bit. I'm adding a little bit of mint because I feel, I don't know whether because I love mint pickle, but I always feel that whenever you're having peanuts, you should have some mint. I'm just going to drizzle this lovely, heavenly dressing here. Oh, the peanuts are looking so good. Just drizzle, and as you toss when you are eating your bowl, you can add a little bit more on top. I'm going to add in some sesame seeds. Wow. My last is my black kalanji seeds. I think they're also called Nigella seeds, but you'll see why the look on it is amazing.